Welcome to the Spring 2017 Video Game Design Showcase, which features original games created by the students of APS Online High School in Aurora, Colorado. Students participating in our year-long course learn so much. They begin by building model games to gain intermediate skills with a Construct 2 game engine. Students ultimately progress towards designing and building their own games, following the game development lifecycle. Students learn to use and leverage a variety of game development tools along the way. In particular, they use Construct 2, a popular 2D game design engine, and graphical assets from Kenny. Students use tools like Inkscape, Shoebox, and Kenny Studio to manipulate the vector and raster images they use in their games. The games you will play today were created following the 5-step game development lifecycle depicted here. Students first generate the big idea or high concept behind their game. Next, they design and storyboard it. With a firm idea of what they are creating in place, they develop, test, and publish iteratively until their vision comes to life. The games you will be playing today are platform-style games built as part of our My Platformer project. Our students learn throughout this process that design doesn't always proceed in a straight line. To the contrary, students learn that designing anything is an iterative process in which earlier steps are invariably revisited. Now to the fun part. How can you participate? It's simple. Play each student's game, then vote for your favorite. If you have the time, leave a constructive comment in the discussion thread, or help us out by inviting your friends to judge the showcase as well. Hey everybody, I'm Mr. Colstock, and this is Duder. We want to thank you for stopping by and playing all our games. We really appreciate your support.